nawang banal na Espiritu ng ating Panginoong Diyos sa ating lahat at siya nawa ang mag-guide sa atin tungo sa rurok ng ating tagumpay. God bless us all. God bless us all. Salamat sa inyo lahat. I saw the lion the night I passed by her window. I saw the rose of love of her life. She was my woman. As she received me, I wasn't went out of my mind. My Delilah. Why?